Belltrees is a shining example of what you can achieve through education, through reduction and through inspiring future generations to take action on climate change and sustainability.
The message here is that you can make great change by doing the tiniest of things.
Belltrees is about 40 kilometres east of Scone. It is quite a unique location, a very small community, a very supportive community, and therefore a very small school.
All right guys, let's go and do our jobs. Tommy and Angus, can you go and check the eggs for me?
My name's Shane Roberts and I'm the principal of Belltrees Public School. 2019 was about the 5th year of this area, the Upper Hunter, being in severe drought. It was the worst drought in about 100 years, and generally the landscape was pretty bare and barren. We were trying to investigate ways that we can support the community in managing those problems. So therefore we looked into things like regenerative agriculture and how we could make that a bit of a theme for the school.
There was a team of ragtag dedicated heroes at a school we will not soon forget. Belltrees Public refused to accept defeat. They decided to do something about it.
We've implemented a range of different projects to increase our sustainability through solar panels, energy conservation strategies with the air conditioner and power. We've greened the space as much as we possibly can, and different strategies to rehydrate the landscape, compost and worm farms, and we've sort of started to develop those kids to take action with things like the garden beds around us here today and producing their own food.
We're going to be planting this into the ground.
I guess the outcomes are just multifaceted. The students definitely feel a greater sense of belonging and a greater meaning to what they do each day. Beyond that, we've had the opportunity to sort of see the landscape transform. You know, bird life has returned. It's a much greener space.
What Shane's done here, give students, kids, an opportunity to learn more about not just what's in the classroom, but what's out here. And we all support that.
Small things like learning how to harvest their own vegetable garden and then selling it into their broader community, and then just opening those conversations with their parents at home.
Be careful.
The role of schools and principals is incredibly important on the journey to net zero, because it's the place where we educate the next generation.
Is the school's energy usage. These are the kids that are going to be coming out of high school in 2030. So when they're leading that 2050 drive for net zero, the skills and knowledge they've learnt from a primary school setting, I look forward to seeing what they can achieve moving forward. I think when people say that small things can't make a difference, they don't recognise the compounding effect. The biggest bit of advice is start, no matter how small that action is. Think about something that's achievable and get started.